Okay, hello, welcome back. In this video, we are now going to create the login page for our membership. So in the last video, we created the checkout page where if people sign up to our free membership, they've got to create an account for themselves. And we've created a checkout page for that form to appear on. We now need to set up a login page for people to obviously log into our membership site. So when you think about logging into your site, so when you go into your admin login, you enter in your username, your password. You can also ask the browser to remember who you are, and you can also add in a link if you forget your password, so you can reset your password. So these are the kind of things we're going to need to provide for our members as well. We want to be able to give them the ability to log in, but if they forget their password, which happens all the time, you want to give them the ability to also be able to reset their password if they forget it. The other thing you also want to add in is the ability to log out. So with that in mind, let's create another page. So go to Pages and Add New, and again I'm going to open this up in a brand new tab, and I'm just going to call this login. Okay, so calling this the login page. So if we now click in there, we've got the permalink will now appear for login. Now with the login page, we again add short codes to our site, or to our page here, and Premise does the rest of it for you. So to add in the login form, we just need to then add in the opening and closing brackets, and we add login underscore form. Okay, so that's going to create the actual login form. Now there are a couple of things we can do to customize that. A few things we can do is that we can add a redirection, so when someone logs in we can redirect them to a different page if we want to. Otherwise it's just going to refresh the page that they're on and say that they're logged in. We can leave some text to say, hi, welcome to the to my membership site, and we can also leave some text there that lets someone know that they are already logged in. But I'm just going to leave that as a login form. We'll go down a couple of lines here, and we'll add in the remember the password, or to recover their password. Again, we're going to use the short code, so we add in the opening and closing brackets. Now to add in the recovery password, we put in password underscore recovery underscore link. Okay, so password underscore recovery underscore link, and that's going to provide a little link where they can go and reset their password. It sends them an email to let them know that where they can reset their password. Now we also want to provide them a logout area. Now just to let you know, with the password recovery link, we can also customize that to say something else. At the moment it just says lost password. We can change that to be something else if we want to. So to add in the logout link now, so let's go down another line, and again we're using the short code there, and in between the short code we are going to what was this, logout link. Okay, so let's put in logout underscore link. Okay, now again we can customize the text if we want to. At the moment it'll just say log out. We can put something else there if we wanted to, but I'm just going to leave it all as nice and basic. So that's all we need to add in for the moment. So let's now publish our page and wait for that to be published, and we can go and have a look at this one. So let's view the page and let's have a look at what we've added in there. Okay, now because we're logged in as the admin, obviously, recognizes that we're logged into the site. So it says we are already logged in, and there's our logout link. Okay, and there's there'll be a form there if we wanted to log in. So let's actually just log out for the moment. Now let's have a look at that page. Okay, let's go to the login area. And there we go. So that's what the login form looks like. Now, have a look at my membership site, just to give an example of what you can do with the login page. I've added the login area just on the side here, and then I have added in some details about what kind of membership access you can get. So this is where I advertise the membership access. But here's the login form here. So I've just styled it to be a little bit different. So the username, password, the remember me, and the login button there. I haven't added in that password recovery. I actually should go and add that in, reminder, but we can actually log in from here now. So Miss M, trying to remember my, is that the one? Okay, excellent, cool. So as I said, it just refreshes the page, but we can get it to redirect somewhere else, but I'm not going to go through all that. So that's our login page all done and dusted. So let's now refresh the settings. And let's select the login page for our login page. Save the settings. And that is all done. Alright, so we've now got 2 pages done. So what we're going to do in the next video is that last page, the member profile page. So I'm going to leave this video here and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.